Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing today. If you remember from my last video, I created this look and so many of you were asking for a breakdown of the eyeshadow. I heard you loud and clear, so today we're diving deep into the details. To begin, we need to prep the eyelid. I'm using the Bennye Clown White eyeshadow primer to make sure the eyeshadow stays in place and looks vibrant. If you don't have primer, a little concealer works just as fine. Now for the transition shade, I'm starting with a soft warm brown. I'm actually using Jade Rays single powder in shade chocolate, and I'm just sweeping it into the crease. Use a fluffy brush for this step, and don't be afraid to blend. This color will help all the other shades blend smoothly. The key to a flawless eyeshadow look is blending, so take your time and make sure the edges are soft. Next, we are going to add depth to the crease with a darker shade. I'm using this rich brown and focusing it on the outer corner of the eyes and blending it inward. Use a smaller brush for precision, but still keeping everything soft and well blended. You don't want any harsh lines. Before the fun part, let's go back with a clean blending brush to soften the edges. We want everything to look perfectly blended with no harsh lines. And once I'm done with that, I'll go back with the brush I used to apply the eyeshadow primer and just blend out the eyeshadow primer, just to pop the eyeshadow primer once again. Now for the fun part, I'm going in with this gorgeous shimmer from the Dabota eyeshadow palette. Press the color onto the lid rather than sweeping it to really get that pigment to pop. Now that we've got all our colors done, I'm going back with a blending brush to blend out the edges. Blending is your best friend here, so take your time to blend all the colors. I also went in with this color right now. I felt like I should add more colors around that area, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. You see how beautiful this is coming out? I love it. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm taking my time to blend in everything and I'm loving the feel I'm getting. To really make the eyes pop, I'm adding a little pigment to the center. This will create that eye-catching spotlight effect and make your eyes look bigger and more dimensional. Make sure to blend the edges into the surrounding shadow for a seamless look. If you are enjoying the content so far, please do it to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. To complete the look, I'm going with a simple wing today and a pair of lashes. The gel liner I'm using is from Tehillacosmetics. I absolutely love this gel liner because it's creamy and it's jet black. It gives you that really nice black. As you can see, just look at it, it's really lovely. I absolutely love it, you know. So after using the gel liner, I went back with that same rich brown I used earlier to deepen the crease, to kind of smudge the black, you know, because I didn't really want that to be really black, but a soft smoky eye effect on that area. So I used that and went back with my clean blending brush again to just basically blend at the edges. You want everything to blend seamlessly. Next is eyelashes. I struggled fixing these lashes, I can't even lie, because our natural lashes are twisted. You can see how I'm battling to fix these lashes. But you know what? I moved. I can't keep on struggling. To complete the rest of the makeup, I'm just going to apply lipstick, and the lip palette I'm using is from Magic. You've seen me use this over and over again. This has become one of my favorite lipstick palette. I don't even use my single lipstick that much. I just love this particular brand in the palettes. I love it. So this is like my third palette that I'm buying, and the brand will still be the first to finish. Yeah, so move on to my brows. This is me slightly filling the brows and lighting the brows. Just basically everything that I would normally do, yeah, blending out the concealer seamlessly. Clean up the sides of your lips for more definition, and I'm doing that with concealer, just something little, not too much. After this, I'm just going to apply powder as well to just set that. Next, I applied a liquid highlighter on the eye points. Next is lip gloss. You should know me by now. I love lip glosses. I don't like my lip being matte, so I always go with a glossy lips. And the lip gloss I'm using is from Fenty. I'm using the Fenty Glass Slipper. This is the lip gloss, one of my favorite. Finishing touches. This is me just going back with my finishing powder brush to just kind of press in everything. Yeah, final step is setting spray to melt in everything into the skin, and voila, this is the eyeshadow look from my last video that so many of you wanted me to break down. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, let me know in the comment what other tutorials or looks you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.